Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Almost. So today we are preparing vegetable fried rice. Yeah, you can call it fried rice or you can call it vegetable rice. So this was very good one. I just used just few things I had at home to prepare this fried rice, and it was bang. It came out so nice. So let's dive into the kitchen. Let's prepare this. I'll be adding some oil to the pan or the pot. I will be pouring some chopped onions, and this is for the frying of the rice. Depending the type of rice you are using, the one that I'm using, this one is long rice, and it's not if you don't fry it, you won't get that good texture. It will be soggy, so I'm going to fry it. I'll be adding curry to that. Hence I'm making fried rice. You must add curry to bring out that beautiful color. So I'll go ahead and fry them for like 5 minutes until you see the color turns this way. Then you know that the rice is already fried. Go ahead and pour in some stock if you have, but I'm adding water. But if you have any stock, you can pour it in them and it will be nice. I'm going to pour water and cover it, allow it to cook on low heat or medium heat, and after some time this is how this rice is looking, and I promise you can enjoy it like this even though you add no veggies or stew. It is already given. So I'll be breaking in some egg. Remember, as I told you, whatever simple thing you have at home can do to prepare this simple fried rice. I'm breaking in 4 eggs and I'm going to scramble them, set it aside. Now to the egg I'll be adding some pepper and salt. This is just to make it spicy, you know. Now it's always good when it's spicy, but not too much. So I always say this: check if the pan is heated, and if it is, go ahead and pour in your egg. It's very easy. Scramble that egg and allow it to be the way you like it, you know. And after that, this is exactly how I will be leaving mine, and this is just perfect for this. This is okay. I'm going to take them out, and on a dry pan without oil, I'll be adding this beef that I bought half fat, and yes, I like it like that. So I'll be using the fat on this beef to fry this. I will not be adding oil. I'll go ahead and add some habanero pepper and onions to that and allow them to fry on its own oil. And after frying them, this will be looking as beautiful as you are just seeing it at the screen. I will take them out and go ahead and add oil to the pan. This time we are going to fry our veggies. I'll be frying green bean and carrot. These are the hard one. That green bean I didn't cook it, so that's why I'm adding it. And here I'll be adding some blended spice. I added the spice of my choice and pepper. Yes, that is what you're seeing there. So I'll add it to the vegetable and go ahead and stir it very well. See, you can add any seasoning of your choice that you want to prepare this. The taste will be so good. Yeah. And after some time it have cooked, I add salt and I'll go ahead and add the remaining pepper and the onions. Stir them. I like onions so much, so you can choose to add more or little. Add the green pepper and the red pepper. Stir them to combine very well, and this is the outlook. I'm going to fry them into 2 ways. So I am taking out some veggies. After that, I will go ahead and pour the rice that I have cooked earlier. This is just a small fried rice and it came out very good. When you cook it very little, it will come out good. And when you are trying to make a very big one, it's not that it will not come out good though, but this little cooking always give you what you want. Allow this rice to fry until they are jumping up. That is when you will know that this rice is very fried. You have to be patient. Stir and stir and stir, and that is it. I'll go ahead and add some scrambled eggs. Remember, we share the rice into 2, and also some some beef and sausages. I will stir them very well to combine, and this rice is ready. Will you be trying it? I will be also putting down below the link to my details fried rice. If you want to go more detail, I have a video of different type of fried rice, well detailed. This is ready now, and tell me what to think in the comment section. This rice bang. And I went ahead not only eating it, I went extra, you know, to add some pepper, fresh onions and some avocado to eat this. And hell, after eating it I just slept, you know now. Thank you for watching today's video. I truly appreciate. Give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.